Hi, this is Michael Becker, and in this Tinderbox lesson, I'm going to introduce you to the new preview feature that's been introduced into Tinderbox 9.5. So here you go, and let's take a look. All right, so I have a blank Tinderbox file here now, and we're going to open it up, and let's create some notes. So we're going to say note 0, note 1, note 2, note 3, and note 4. Okay, and we're going to move notes 2, notes 3, and notes 4 into note 1, and we're going to leave note 0 here. Now, let's go ahead and look at outline view, and you'll see I've got a note 0 and I've got a note 1. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to and we're going to add some text first. So we're going to say note 0 text, and let's add some note 1 text, note 4 text, the order doesn't matter here really, note 3 text, note 2 text, and we're going to have, and we've got some note 1 text as well. So now we've got all of our notes in order, and now we can see that. Now let's say we want to preview these notes. I'm going to delete note 0 text real quick just so you can see what's going to happen. I'm going to preview note 0 text, and look, first and foremost, what Tinderbox does is it adds the hint folder, the prototype folder, and the template folder. And I don't see anything. And you're like, well, that's odd. I'm previewing note 0, but I'm not actually seeing any text. What's going on? Is something broken? No, nothing's broken. It works perfectly. If we go ahead here and we add that note 0 text back in, you'll see I'm now previewing the text, and we can actually, let's add some even more text like a Lorem Ipsum. You'll see now I'm previewing all of that text that we're putting into, we'll go ahead and do that so you can just see that note. So we're previewing all of the text that's in that note. Now that we've added in that preview, Tinderbox has automatically done it, you can see we can go ahead and preview all of these notes. So that's what's going on with the new preview template, and you'll see here that new preview template has been automatically added. Now the great thing about Tinderbox is we can modify nearly anything we want. Let's say we want to not just see the preview of the body of the text, but we actually want to see the title of the text. So we can just open up the preview template and add the title in. So now if I go here and I preview the notes, I'm actually going to see the title of the text of the notes. So for me, I like to see the title. I like to see the completeness. What I might want to do too, just to have a bit of the distinction between the text and the title, is I might add an HTML1 tag into the preview template. And so now if I do that and I preview, you now see I have a distinction between the title and the text of the notes. And then the final thing I want to show you that you can do with this template is, let's say I've selected note 1 and I now want to see a cascading series of notes, all of the notes below note 1 when I'm previewing that template. Easy enough to do. All we need to do here is go ahead and add the export code children and give it its path. Okay, so what we've done is we've said, hey Tinderbox, open up an HTML file, stick in a heading 1 of the title, stick in your text, and then what I want you to do is process all the children of the note with the templates, with the templates preview, which is in this path, templates preview. So now if I go ahead and I preview note 1, I now get all of the children processed as well. So that's how the new preview template works, and I hope you find this useful, and be sure to look at all of my other Tinderbox educational videos as well, because it can actually show you how to do much more detailed reviews of use of templates and other aspects of Tinderbox. Thanks, take care.